In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Discord on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option, and here we need to search for Store, and here you can see Microsoft Store. So you need to click on this and it will open the Microsoft Store. So here we are going to search for Discord, and here you can see Discord app. So we need to click on this and it will take you to this page, and here you can see we have the install option. So we need to click on install and it will start installing Discord in our Windows. There you can see it is installing Discord right now, and there you can see it is done. So right now if we just click on open, it will start opening the Discord. Here you can see, and right now if we just go to the Windows search option and search over here Discord, here you will see the Discord app here, and here it also created a Discord icon over here as well. I guess it is now downloading a few update and it opened the Discord. So here it will open Discord in your browser. So I'm just going to click here allow, and here we are going to, or we need to give our Discord username and password, or you can also create a new Discord account. And here if you have Discord installed in your mobile, then you can just scan this QR code from your mobile and you can easily log into Discord. So yeah, this is how you can install Discord on Windows. I hope this is useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.